Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the extremes, exploring how the human brain copes when pushed far beyond its comfort zone, specifically into outer space and the deep sea. These environments are incredibly hostile, yet understanding how our brains react is vital for exploration and even for understanding neuroscience back here on Earth. Let's start with spaceflight. Leaving our planet means big changes. First, there's microgravity. Without that constant pull, our sense of balance goes haywire. The brain gets conflicting signals from the inner ear, eyes, and body sensors. This often leads to space sickness. Think disorientation and nausea. Astronauts adapt, creating new neural maps for movement, but it takes time. Fluid shifts are another issue. In zero-G, fluids move towards the head, increasing pressure inside the skull. This might compress brain tissue and potentially cause vision problems known as SANS. Then there's radiation. Outside Earth's magnetic shield, cosmic rays pose a risk to brain cells, possibly leading to long-term cognitive issues. Add the stress of isolation, confinement, and disrupted sleep on long missions, and you see the challenge. Some astronauts report subtle cognitive effects, a kind of space fog, affecting attention and reasoning. Now let's plunge into the deep sea. Here, the primary challenge is immense pressure. Breathing special gas mixes under this pressure can trigger high-pressure neurological syndrome, or HPNS, causing tremors, dizziness, and cognitive problems. If divers breathe regular compressed air at depth, they risk nitrogen narcosis, the rapture of the deep. Nitrogen dissolves into nerve cells, impairing judgment much like alcohol. Oxygen, essential for life, also becomes toxic under high pressure, potentially causing seizures. The deep sea is also dark, cold, and sensorially different, adding to disorientation and anxiety. And just like space, isolation in deep sea habitats adds psychological stress. So both space and the deep sea push the brain to its limits. They challenge its ability to maintain balance, process strange sensory information, control movement accurately, and manage stress. But our brains are adaptable. Astronauts learn to navigate zero-G, and divers show some adaptation to high pressure over time. This neuroplasticity is fascinating, but we're still learning about the long-term effects of these extreme exposures. Researchers use brain imaging like fMRI, EEG, and cognitive tests to track these changes. The goals are clear: develop better countermeasures, perhaps artificial gravity for space, safer gas mixtures for diving, or cognitive training. Improve how we select and train explorers, and understand the long-term health risks. Studying the brain under pressure doesn't just help astronauts and divers. It illuminates the incredible resilience and fundamental workings of our own nervous system. Thanks for tuning in.